What if one idea could change the future of energy in India? Meet Dr. Ulagamani Edadi, a visionary engineer turning sustainability into reality. Born with a passion for renewable energy, Dr. Ulagamani pursued a degree in energy and environmental engineering. He didn't just stop at learning, he took action. From working on solar water pumping systems at Jain Irrigation to analyzing energy efficiency at Enspar Energy, he gained the expertise to drive change. Today, as the founder and director of Blue Bright Energy, he leads Young Engineers on Wheel, a movement dedicated to building a cleaner, brighter, and sustainable India. His team innovates in solar power, essential oils, and environmental solutions, bringing clean energy to rural and urban areas alike. But he's not stopping here. Dr. Ulagamani envisions a future where renewable energy is accessible to all. Partnering with the Academy of Social Franchising, he's ready to scale his impact, creating sustainable solutions for communities nationwide. One idea, one vision, a greener tomorrow. Because the future is powered by those who dare to innovate.